Hi children, good morning. How is your work going on? I had given the work in the last class to draw the diagram of our lungs. Have you completed it? How many times I told? 2 times. Yes, I'll check it. Okay. So welcome back to our session. What is our topic? Respiration in organisms. So how we are going to respire? So today our topic is, what do we breathe out? Breathe in, breathe out. Inhalation, exhalation. Is it? So in the inhalation process, that is breathing in, we are going to take the oxygen. And breathing out, we are going to take, not take, leave. We are going to leave out the carbon dioxide. What are the 2 gases? Here we are going to talk about the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is O2, carbon dioxide is CO2. So oxygen is inhaled, carbon dioxide is exhaled. So what is the question arises here? What do we breathe out? We are going to breathe out the carbon dioxide. When we are going to breathe out, keep your hand here and check whether how the air is coming out. It's very warm. Warm air is going to come out. So for this, let me conduct a small activity. Before going for the activity, let me introduce one of the yoga children. That is nothing but pranayama. What is that? Pranayama. Every day, if we do the pranayama, it will be good for our lungs, and also the breathing capacity also will be increases for us. So you have to know what is that pranayama and how we have to do that process. It's very simple, children. Sit in a cool place with your comfortable. Just keep your 2 fingers like this, and with 1 finger close your one of the nostrils. Then with another nostril you have to take your breath in. See? Now with which nostril you have taken in and taken out, now close that nostril with the another one. Long breath and long breathe out. We have to do it like that. Which you are taking to the inside, that side only you have to leave it off. Then once again take the breath. Leave the breathe out. So which with one side you have to take in, another side close it, close the same thing, another side into the nostrils. So you have to take it out. So like this, different types. That means with only one nostril and leaving, taking and leaving one thing, and taking in one side and leaving with the another side. Like this, if you do at least 10 to 15 minutes, you can improve our breathing system, and also we will be good. It is very good for our health. What is that? Pranayama. Okay? Yes. Now let me see a small activity regarding this. Okay? Carry on. Exhaled air has carbon dioxide. Required things: we need 1 test tube, straw, lime water. Procedure: take a test tube and pour some lime water into it. Take a straw and exhale air into the lime water in the test tube. What we can observe? The color of that lime water will be changes to the milky white. So by this we can understand that the lime water turns milky white only when carbon dioxide is mixed with it. Thus it is an obvious from the above activity that exhaled air has the carbon dioxide. Yes. Here is the model of a lung. Can you see, children? Yes. So here in the first picture, when we are blowing the air, we can see the expansion of our chest cavity, that is nothing but our lungs. So when you remove the air, that means when we are going to push it downwards, we cannot see the expansion. That means this process we call it as inhalation and exhalation process. Is it? Yes. So in our science, we are having, this is the model to show the mechanism of the breathing. When we pull down the plastic sheet, the air pressure inside the bottle decreases, whereas the volume of the bottle increases. This reduced pressure causes outside air to enter the balloons. When the sheet is pushed up, the volume of the bottle decreases and air pressure inside the bottle increases. This increased pressure forces air out of the balloons. Now I can show you the activity how to do this, the mechanism of the breathing. You also should follow that, and you also try to make a model, children. I think you are ready to see that model and you have to do it. Okay? I think you have seen the video. How it is, children? Have you understood that? Yes. So, in the next class, let me go for breathing in the other animals, not only the human beings. We are having different types of the organisms. So, different types of the animals, how they are going to breathe it, what are the organs it is having. Let me see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.